Kawawa, butas.
Tanggal ako. Tanggal ako. Zombie ako eh. Zombie ako eh. Mama, zombie ako. Mama, zombie ako eh. Kaya. Ikit ako.
Ginagawa kong paper mo. Nakakalahati pala. Basta dance. Basta dance. Oh, galing. Dance, dali. Galing. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Turned off. Emma and Kate was eating and the lights just turned off. You guys okay? Oh no, it got stronger. The car is shaking outside. Whoa, what did this happen? There's noise.
Nasaan yung girlfriend mo?
Doon, sa bahay.
Saan?
Bahay. Piso mo ako.
Yan na. Sige, kain. Dali. Tignan ko kung paano kumain.
Tinatapon lang yun.
Nagalong-galong ka dyan, oh. Ano.
Sarap mo.
Okay. Ano kumain? Sarap. Di na.
Dad, ako na! Dad, sleep. Luna, it's time to buy. And now we do no win. And it's time to find the light.
Wherever you go, there's a
Bago!
Alisin mo.
Nasaan? Nakikiglasay. And pohon sa inay. Do you? Ganda? 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 Ah. Yeah. Ganda. Baka ko tae. Baka ano amoy mo tae? So guys, bibili tayo. Happy na tayong BG house.
Kasi naghahanap tayo
Walang hindi kang BG house. Pupunta tayo.
Wala na ito kadami. Ito, saan
Alam
tayo
mo
para
na dito.
ayusin muna natin bago tayo makapag-interact sa mga tao dito.
Alam mo dito wala akong kalamansi.
Wala pa ulit.
Ito, kalamansi. Ito, kalamansi. Gusto ko to. Nakain ko to. Lagyan natin to. Asin.
May balat pa kasi.
Kakampin eh.
Tingin dito. Mukha. Paano mukha?
Gumaganti ko lang.
Nakain yung balat. Nakain mo yung balat niyan? Tingin dito. Ay.
Ako lang.
Ito laki. Teka lang, malikot. Teka lang. Malaki. Yan o, diba? Huwag mo nang kinakalikot. Lalabas yung laman. Malaki! Ganun, Sandali nga lang, malaki.
In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. Yeah. In the middle of the night.
Ay.
Kasi may sumunod.
Ano, Drake? Ay, huwag ka dyan. Inay. Drake. Forehead. Hindi, ito, huwag mong punitin. Ito, ano to? Ano to? Ito, ano to? Ha? Eyes. Ito.
Boy.
B is for,
Boy.
C is for
Balanina Pacachina.
cup.
Kapag
D is for
dog.
F is for fun.
Fun if
Very good. H is for Ham.
Mami? Sila?
R is for,
Rat.
S is for,
Sun.
T is for,
Ano yun?
ano to? Ano nga yun?
Sweet kid.
Hindi yan Squid Game.
Ano na? Sweet kid na.
Top!
Top na.
Stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with.
Oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
I pledge allegiance
I pledge allegiance.
to the Filipino flag
A Filipino vlog
and to the republic
and with public
and to the republic
and with public
and to,
and
pakita ko to kay Ma'am Ruth, republic and to the republic,
the public
indivisible, for which it
which it
stand a nation,
a nation
indivisible
visible
and dedicated
and naked
to the ideals of justice,
and the justice,
liberty,
liberty,
and democracy.
see.
Kaya mo. Dandahan lang ha. Huwag ka na mag-ano kay Papa.
Obligasyon. I pledge allegiance.
Ayusin ang salita para... Diba gusto mo maging pulis paglaki? O, mag-aral mabuti. Diba sabi mo, gusto ko po pulis, Papa. O, mag-aral mabuti. Huwag ka lang ano. Ayusin ang ano. Mamaya may kakain ka, may chicken ka doon. Sino nakain mo yan? Sino, kaya mo yan. Huwag kang...
Leader ka pala doon
Kabahan, ikaw leader. Ikaw yung malakas eh. Galing pala na ito eh. Sige na, kaya mo.
Leader ka pala
Pala
doon
ano basta galingan mo lang. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Leader ka pala doon eh.
Iyak ha?
I
Kaya mo.
pledge allegiance. I
Ayos,
pledge
ayos, ha?
allegiance. Sabi mo.
I
I pledge
I pledge
allegiance.
Sisay yung ano, hindi yung buo. I pledge. Ganun.
I pledge
pledge
allegiance.
allegiance
Ayusin mo to. To the
to the
Filipino flag.
Filipino vlog,
Filipino
Filipino
flag.
vlog,
Flag.
vlog,
And
and
to the
to the
republic
republic
for which
for which
it stands
stand
a nation
a nation
indivisible
invisible
and
and
dedicated
dedicated
to the ideals
deals
and justice,
justice,
liberty,
liberty,
and democracy.
and mercy.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3.
I pledge allegiance a Filipino flag to the republic
And
dedicated.
ulit.
I pledge allegiance a Filipino flag and
to
dedicated and the flag
for which
for which stand a nation
indivisible
invisible and dedicated
to the
to the
ideals,
ideals
justice.
of justice, liberty, and mercy.
Very good.
Yeah! It's allegiance at Filipino flag and the
And to
dedicated
republic
and the flag for which stand a nation invisible and dedicated
to the
to the
ideals,
ideals
justice.
of justice, liberty, and mercy.
Very good.
I pledge
Kamay.
I pledge allegiance a Filipino flag and the dedicated.
Ulit.
I pledge allegiance a Filipino flag
and to the republic
and to the republic
for
for riches and a nation, invisible
and
and dedicated for the
years
house
of just
of justice, liberty, and democracy.
very good. I pledge bayang magiliw perlas na silang
alang
alab ng puso sa dibdib mo'y buhay ang hinirap duyan ka ng maginting sa manlupi di mapasisiin sa dagat at bundok sa simoy ay
Laban-laban ay
may dilag ang tula at awit na lalalaman.
hawak hati sa hati
Ay, Chinese?
sa tisiyo.
Chinese Korean nahati. I pledge of allegiance. O, kasunod na nun. I pledge of allegiance.
I pledge of allegiance a Filipino flag
And
to the
republic.
republic
Ay,
For
subukan
which?
mo.
and
For which
a nation,
Ay, kamay mo pa rin, nakagano pa rin.
invisible
and
and dedicated
for ideals
for the cause
of
of justice, liberty, and democracy.
very good.